In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable the new Acrobat experience on Adobe.com in Chrome. If you're using Adobe Acrobat in your browser and the layout looks different from what you expect, this setting is usually what controls that experience. The good news is that changing it only takes a moment, and once you know where to look, it's very easy to switch back and forth whenever needed. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to acrobat.adobe.com. Make sure the page has fully loaded before moving on, since some interface options may not appear right away if the site is still loading. Once you're on the Acrobat website, look for the main menu button, sometimes shown as an application button or a grid-style layout icon. This is where Adobe places a variety of account and interface options. Go ahead and click that menu or application button to open the available options. When the menu expands, look through the list for the setting labeled either Disable New Acrobat or Enable New Acrobat. The wording you see will depend on the version that is currently active. If the new Acrobat layout is already turned on, you'll likely see the option to disable it. If the older layout is currently active, you'll instead see the option to enable the new one. Once you find the correct option, click it. This tells Acrobat that you want to switch the interface experience. After that, a blue confirmation prompt should appear asking you to refresh or reload the page so the change can take effect. Click the blue confirmation refresh button to continue. At that point, Acrobat will reload and apply the updated layout. Depending on your browser speed or internet connection, this may take a few seconds. When the page comes back, you should see the interface updated to match the setting you selected. If you don't notice the change immediately, give the page another moment to finish loading completely. In some cases, reopening the tab can also help confirm that the new setting has been applied. Just remember that the option name will change depending on the active view, so if you ever want to switch back, you can repeat the same process from the same menu. And that's it. You've successfully changed the Acrobat experience directly from acrobat.adobe.com inside Chrome.